prepped the nails earlier, and if you would like to see it's really detailed with preps, we'll have the videos on, I believe, on Facebook and on YouTube. Really fun tutorial, like a little bit stuff in there. I don't know what it is, but thank you so much. Did you see it better now? Hopefully it's is better now. So I always guide all the powders to the center of the nail to make sure they're staying nice. And something here, but I'm not worried about it. Hey Mylene, hey sweetie, hey Michelle, good evening. So I'm done with that yellow. I'm gonna do a nude colors for that. Hi Mylene, how are you, sweetie? Clean my brush really well. And doing the nude colors for this solid nails. Oh, great. True, Jenny. Thank you so much. It's better now. Good. I'm so glad it's better now. So for all beginners, if you would like to do like long nails and create really nice structure of it, I would do start 2 beads, and you will never go wrong with that. 2 beads or 3 beads is always, or more if you need more. You always can do it more instead of having to really struggling with like 1 bead. I find myself when I'm doing it in the live tutorials, I end up using like more than just 1 bead, which is totally fine. I'm not worried about it. I'd rather to get it done like it right, and then to share all the information and idea for all of you instead of just like feeling like, oh, I get it 1 bead down, it looks perfect, you know. So like right now, I don't even get it totally 1 bead down, but I'll do 2. I might do 3 when it's feel a little bit wet. The ratio is a little bit wet, so I just like dab my brush on the other end down, so then it's absorbing like all the excess monomer that I don't need it. Clean the brush really nice. Just a little bit on, because I think I need just a little bit. Probably on the view you might see a little bit or you might not, but I can see it from my end. Really good now. So now I am going to just close this one quick, delete. And I am going to using a chamfer foil on the top of this. Can you move the lamp over that side, maybe? And I'm gonna apply all of them. Let me show you. Right here, I am using a transfer foil, Premium's I Hold transfer foil. Why is so dark in there? Can't see. And I am going to apply it all and cure them for 30 seconds. This one. And this one as well. Great. Here for 30 seconds. And I have this foil that we were talking about, this foil last night, that we're going to do it.